In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse public Miro board templates and copy one into your account. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Miro dashboard. Once you arrive at the dashboard, this is where you can access your boards, create new workspaces, and find useful tools for planning, brainstorming, and collaboration. If you are already signed in, you should land directly on your main Miro area. If not, just make sure you are logged in before continuing so you can save any template you choose to your own account. From the dashboard, look for the Explore Templates option. This is the easiest way to discover ready-made board layouts created for different types of work, such as workshops, project planning, retrospectives, mind maps, and many other common use cases. Selecting this option will take you to a gallery of templates that you can review and compare. You can also go directly to Miroverse. Miroverse is Miro's public template library where you can browse a wide range of community-created boards and official templates. This is especially useful if you want more variety or if you are looking for inspiration beyond the templates shown on the main dashboard. As you browse, take your time to scan the categories, preview layouts, and read the descriptions so you can choose a board that fits your goal. Once you are inside the template gallery or Miroverse, begin browsing the public board templates. Pay attention to how each template is organized and what kind of workflow it supports. Some templates are simple and focused, while others are built for larger team activities. Choosing the right one now can save you time later and make your board much easier to use. When you find a template you want, click Use Template. This action creates a copy of that board directly in your own Miro account, so you can start editing it without changing the original public version. After the copy is created, you can customize the board however you like by updating the text, moving elements around, or adapting it to your team's process. That's all it takes. Open your Miro dashboard in Chrome, explore templates, or visit Miroverse, browse the available public boards, and use the template you want to copy it into your account. Once you do this a few times, finding the right starting point in Miro becomes quick and easy.